everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make some custom stickers. This is going to be quick and a fast way to do so, and I am going to start with using Canva. If you've seen my videos previously, then you know that Canva is my go-to place for most of my videos. So, and again, it's just a quick rundown. So for your sticker, you're going to be using you're going to open up Canva. However, you can also use Photoshop, Microsoft Word. So there's different programs that you can use. You can use Cricut Design Space as well, but you can design it to your liking. So you place it to your placement. I'm doing what I did some 1x1 stickers. So it would kind of look like this. I just put on the bottom of a cup there. So yeah, that's how it's going to look. And once you get your design that you want it, then you will go over to print it. So to print it, for me, I go to Cricut to print because, and I probably should have went on and got it up for my turtle face. All right, so let me pull up that real quick. So the reason for me using Cricut Design Space is so that I can make multiple. However, you can also do the same thing in Microsoft Word. So I guess all it is. Let's go over to my stuff. Okay, and these are some stickers that I made, which I left them. I wanted to show y'all what these are some stickers that I made to use for my new collection, Amazingly Whipped. Please forgive me, y'all. I'm at the store currently, and I have a customer. Well, no, it's not. Well, I have somebody standing at the door, but she's not trying to come in. So, okay. So let me just quickly show you out this real quick. All right. So you will go over to upload. So once you save it as a PNG file from Canva, you will go over to Cricut Design Space if you have it, and then you will upload, and you will put in your stickers that you just made. And the way I made it a circle instead of that square border is I went over to, see if I can move this out the way. All right, just move that right there. So just go over to shapes. You select your shape of your choosing that you want your sticker to be. In my case, I chose a circle. And then you will line it up and place it onto that square. And you will highlight both. So you highlight the circle and the picture as well, and select the slice tool right over here. And when you do that, it will slice into whatever shape that you have selected. Okay? So now that you have all of that selected, what you're going to do now is click Make. And I like to zoom it in, but that's just my preference. You don't have to. Let's see if I can move me out the way. Boom. All right. So I'm changing to some 8.5 by 11 paper. And then I'm going to send it over to, and I'm just printing this. I'm not cutting it using the Cricut. I cut it using my scissors, but you just send it over to your printer. So I hit continue. Send to printer. I don't have my printer plugged in right now. I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to plug in my printer so you can see how it looks and how amazing it is, and how I get it from what we just created online to this beautiful sticker that we applied and I cut myself. So give me a second, go hook up the printer. I'm going to print it out so I can show you all how it comes out. All right, so as soon as you put in the printer, shiny shot, this is InkJet printed stickers. Then they will come out like so. Like and subscribe, guys. Bye. Hope this helps.